My name is Nathan Goldstein. I am the homeowner of 707 Kennebec Ave in Takoma Park. This house was built 2000-2001 and was in need of a renovation and an update. I loved the basic flow of the house. I thought it was very thoughtfully designed. It's laid out in a perfect spot on the lot. For a house that has so many windows, it's actually quite private. It's tucked in behind the street. So it felt like it had all the right basic elements to make it a really interesting project. It was a house where the concept looked to be a little more contemporary than the actual finishes were. And so we had some remediation work to do in the outside, fixing some windows, the roof, the whole envelope of the house needed attention. We really preserved a lot of the original design concepts, mixing in some of the ironwork and leaving the basic flow of the house open. But we needed to update all the materials. And when we did, it felt like the whole house kind of lit up and became alive. I'm thrilled with the way the house turned out. And it's a joy for me to invite friends and family over and get to share it with them. Everyone's got a favorite corner of the house. My favorite corner of the house is always sort of changing as I, live in it. I would unhesitatingly recommend FineCraft for other projects that I'm working on or for friends and family. So it's been an excellent experience, start to finish.